Hello guys, welcome back to my channel hd.BD. So today I'll show you how to how to create a video for live YouTube live video. So how to create, you know that. So first of all, you click on this apps YouTube. After click on this, you click on this video option. If you click on this, then you go to find option, record, also go live. If you click on go live option, then you need to be apply. You need to be 24 hours wait for this activate this account. After 24 hours, then you can be easily, if you click on this YouTube live option, then it's okay to go to the live. So thank you. If you like this video, please like, comment, share.